Okay, it was a gorgeous day across the UP and lots of sunshine, temperatures right around their seasonal averages. And as we head on into the evening, a few clouds do start to sneak their way in from the west. We'll see more of them throughout the night. Rain chances are going to be very slim for us, probably seeing them closer to early tomorrow morning, but not really seeing much in terms of rainfall at the moment. So we'll be mostly clear as we start off our evening. A few more of those clouds come in as we go into the remainder of the night. Temperatures won't be too bad for us. Milder air mass will be in place. That will only knock us down into the upper 50s, perhaps even a few of us only in the lower 60s. Now, a look at your current conditions. 73, mostly sunny skies with winds out of the west-northwest at 5 miles per hour. Lower 70s for us in Marquette, and as you head farther off to the west, you will notice numbers right around the same numbers. 75 in Ontonagon at 68 in Houghton, 73 over in Ironwood, middle 70s in Florence and down in Menominee and eastward. Sitting more into those upper 60s in Munising and Manistee at 70 in Escanaba, 73 here in Ishpeming, and as you go down into Escanaba, seeing more of those 70s also. But winds right now out of the south, 12 in Escanaba, 3 in Iron Mountain, and at 16 in Houghton. So not too much uniformity when it comes to the winds, but that will start to come more into line as we go into tomorrow, as we'll see more of that north or southwesterly flow at first before switching out of the northwest into the afternoon hours as the front does start to pass on through. But clouds on the increase for us as we head on into the evening. Scattered rain in place as we go into the afternoon on tomorrow. Yes, some pockets will be heavy at times, but not really expecting a lot of heavy rain. And that small pocket of heavy rain will be in and out, so not going to get a lot out of it. And then behind all of this, we will cool off again and seeing our high temperatures drop off into the 60s by the time we get into Friday. But let's take a look at our setup. High pressure in full control of the Great Lakes. That's why things were so nice this afternoon. The rain will be coming in from the west and the northwest as we head on into tomorrow, and that's what we'll be expecting going into our day. Mostly just showers. Now, a few of us could hear a few rumbles of thunder throughout the time, but not expecting a whole lot and definitely not expecting anything severe when the showers do make their way through. But here's a look at all of this on our Futurecast model. Partly to mostly clear throughout the night. Here come more of the clouds later on into the evening, getting closer to tomorrow morning with the rain chances beginning to pick up for us. Yes, some heavier pockets at times will move through, but it looks to be just this one band. It moves through, gets out of here, and then we quiet down heading into tomorrow night. Quickly clearing by the time we get into our Friday. Lots of sunshine awaiting us there. A bit on the cooler side when it comes to our temperatures with highs only in the mid to upper 60s. And then the time we get into the weekend, expecting things to really warm up for us and also be very nice, which is a good thing. It's going to be the holiday weekend, so a lot of us want to get out and really enjoy ourselves. Some barbecues will be happening. Won't have to worry about any rain whatsoever at all. Tonight, we'll drop our numbers down to the upper 50s at 57, becoming cloudy and expecting more of that light rain as we get late into the evening into early tomorrow morning. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10. Remaining out of the southwest early into tomorrow morning, but forth switching out of the northwest into the afternoon, and that will start to bring some of that cooler air in place even throughout the day. Milder for us, not quite as warm, dropping those numbers back into the 60s, especially farther north and west. 63 in Lawrence, 66 degrees in Ontonagon. Not really seeing that cooler air settle in until later on into the evening, so high temperatures will be a bit warmer as you go into Florence and in Iron Mountain, both at 76, 74 in Escanaba, and at 73 in Munising. For your 7-day forecast, wet as we head on into Thursday. A few rumbles of thunder possible for us, but then temperatures do start to drop off as we go into Friday and we dry out. High of 66, lots of sunshine on the way there. Saturday, plenty of sun with highs rebounding back into the 70s. More of the same for us on Sunday and even Monday for our 4th of July. 77 degrees with a low of 56 that morning. So numbers starting to come back more into lines of where they should be during this time of the year, maybe even just slightly above their averages, and we'll keep that heading on into next Tuesday and Wednesday.